Yep. I'm going to go drop zone 1, please.
Let's line up drop zone 1. Anywhere on the right.
Oh, no.
You've wasted a counter. Get some money, maybe, which could be handy. Oh, you tease. So, we're down to the last 2 counters. Drop zone 2?
Yeah.
Line up drop zone 2, please.
Come on.
There you go. Come on now. Yep.
Come on, settle.
Is it going to be enough? Oh!
Oh, it's on the edge.
Too much for me, Ben, to be honest.
There's another 2 across the tipping point, which is another £200. So we're up £6,200. You've got one final counter.
I'm going for drop zone 1, please, Ben.
Line up drop zone 1, please. Need it to be right. Very hard line. Oh, that could be good, Matt. Come on now.
Come on, baby.
Get over.
Come on.
Come on. For the 8th sexiest man in Wales.
How did that not go?
20 grand.
That's it, I've got no more left.
Another 2 counters dropped for you, though. So it's another £200 that we take from
Oh
the
my
machine and we put
God.
there. So you're up to £6,400. Goodness
Oh,
me, man.
man.
You are on the edge of £20,000, but we're out of questions and we're out of categories. No, it's not over yet.
I'm going to take the trade.
So, nothing
Wow.
else in the machine has any value whatsoever. The only thing we're interested in is that jackpot counter.
Yeah.
You're going to leave with £20,000 or you're going to leave with £1,000. You've got 3 counters in your armoury. Where do we start?
Drop zone 1, please, Ben.
Light up drop zone 1, please.
This just got serious.
Very serious. This goes right.
Stay there, stay there, stay. Settle. Settle.
It won't take much.
Come on, baby.
All right, will this get you £20,000? Wow, how about that? So £20,000 you've just won for your charity. Tell us about it.
It's for Mind Charity. They do amazing work for mental health across the UK with people with mental health and trying to end the stigma of mental health as well.
Well, hopefully £20,000 is going to go a long way to achieving that goal, Matt. So Matt decided to take the trade. He risked £6,400 and he's going home with £20,000 for his charity. Matt, you've been a great player. We've loved having you on the show. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Join us next time for another 3-way celebrity showdown only on Tipping Point Lucky Stars. Good night.